I forgot to show you this. I talked about it and I showed how I could put the little hinges in there. But I should show you how they're folded too. I take pieces, cut a few pieces of paper tape. This is the gummed side. This is the paper side. And I fold them so that the bigger and longer part of it is going to go on the down side, the backing side. And you fold this real well, as if you don't, sometimes the weight of the picture just over time will start kind of pulling this down. So get one that's not folded at all. Yeah. So sometimes if you don't make it so that this very sharp fold is here, then sometimes the weight of the picture will start pulling it down. And then when I fold it too, I try to get the straightest side and then fold this smaller part down and make it about, I don't know, 2/3 or 3/4 of the back side, and fold it real well. And then you can open it up and put some paper on it, water on it. So I'm going to do that right now. Here's my rag and water. I'm keeping it on the floor and away from here because, you know, things can happen. But for now, I'm just going to put this here and show you one of these. I just wipe some damp, no more than damp, but not completely wet, but not squeeze out water wet. Put that back on the bottom. And then it's folded and ready to go. I usually stick the bigger one in the middle. Very gently lift this up, pop that behind it, not all the way to the top edge, which is why you can't really use it like a true hinge. Push it down, move quickly. Here comes the second one. I'm putting water on it now, wetting it now. And this one's pretty wet. My fingers are wet. I don't want that. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in here. Just tuck it under there. Doesn't hurt the paper. Doesn't make a weird color come through or anything like that. It's meant for this. This is what we use for stretching watercolor paper. You get a board and you put your watercolor paper in a nice clean bathtub and soak it, and then take it out, put it on the board, and put paper tape all the way around it, and then let it dry. And as it dries, the paper's going to shrink back to its original position and be flat. This paper is very, very strong. If you put it on a board that's less than 1/2 inch thick, it'll often bow the wood. So it's great stuff. And it doesn't involve plastic also. Me and my nanoplastics. But, you know, I come from a time when there wasn't a lot of plastic in everything. It's a great invention, but we need to recycle it better than we have been. We can't just keep making it because it's a petroleum product. And going into the trash, it gets into everything. Anyway, that's that. And then I told you just about weighting it down. And I'll just wait till it's bone dry, a couple hours. I got up real early while it was still dark. The cat led me out here and she said, come, come. And she's never done that before. She usually leads me to a door. So I followed her and she was saying, do one more, do one more. So I did. Thank you, Felice. Okay, just checking to make sure I recorded this. Again, comment, thumbs up, subscribe, it's free. And thank you for getting something out of this. I do it for love of the medium, so thank you.